and I'm back with an update on my video from my last series, the SRA inscription with the Bitcoin things and stuff. And I came very far. I would like to say, uh, I built a model, built the AI model out to do inference. The AI model is somewhere over here. Okay, where I trained the model. I ended up training two models that I got. The first model is this one, and this is I know it's an H5 output dot H5 file, model dot H5. I'm not sure what data frame. Yep, this is the model we end up going with over this model. It was a dot job live model, or it did save the H5 model. I didn't know that, but we'll go back to oh, okay, this model. So I trained the AI to recognize the prime numbers coming together and making the output. Let me show you guys an example of training, of the training process. This is like an update I'm so far ahead with the coding process from the 1 hour tutorial I did on YouTube like a week ago. Not that far, but just developed the model and then developed the inference. Keyboard just got water on it. That's a type of inference that can destroy my computer. Let's get back. Okay, this is the training process, and I think it takes a little time to train. And let's see what we're training. Let me get off all of this. This is confusing. Get off. Get back to here. Train. Okay, got the training. Then I go see what we're training. RSA primes 103. Bring it over here. Primes 103 tokenized, most likely. Okay, that's not the training. That was for the to see was the model working, because the last time I tried to train the model, let's go back to training. Last time I trained the model and did the inference, I had to use the go to infer one. I used to load the pre-process the original data to get the scalar, and that like made it easy for the AI to understand the numbers. So now I wanted to put just 3 lines of data out of a million and see what would happen. As you can see, we're training a whole lot of data, about 1 million lines. Just wanted to show you guys the process. I'm not going to run it all the way through, but I'm going to go back to the output of the model. It's right here. I don't have nothing currently on this computer where I can show you the model or the details of what's in the model, different nodes. So we're training, and then we do inference. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the training data. This is the training data. As you can see, it's tokenized already from a tokenized script I developed. And we tokenized it all the way down to the bottom to make sure we match the matrix with this and this, or it will be just would have been this and this And then once we tried to train it, the matrix would have gave us a sign back that said that they can't train data that's not in the same shape. So we go back, say that. As you can see, it's down here, still training. And we want to go back to where the training data, we're going to go inference. Okay, after it trains, we go to inference 2, where we don't use the CSV file for to see what's going on. So we just get straight from the model and the scalar. Most likely this should work. Yeah, because I got 0.21 and 0.021 bring us closest to the where we have to get. As I made a sheet over here where 0.2 was the closest, then 0.21 was the second closest, and 0.1 was the third closest, and that was analysis I did on here, ChatGPT. As you can see, other analysis was done, but those were the three closest, so I used them. Wasn't in a particular order, just was testing out different how to get the model to be more perfect. And those are the results. So I go in inference 2. That's what's trained from the model. Hopefully it's not training from the model that's being trained right now, because it might be overwriting the data. So that's what we got. And I say take it back to GPT, how close it is to the model from the input earlier. The input earlier with this data, how close is this to the model, to the input. Let's see if GPT still remembers. It should be still the same numbers from earlier with the 2.1. I never changed the script, so it should all still be the same. Or I might have changed something because GPT's just writing different. This Let me show them the regular input. This is the go back to the gotta go here, here, go back here. You don't want to scroll a million lines, take a million years. Okay, these are the regular inputs. This is the regular inputs. How was the diff from the model response? Let's see if GPT understands now where I'm coming from. What is he saying? The output. I want the output only. Okay, yeah, there we go. Earlier, he didn't have all these numbers and then had to do all this process. 0. Oh, plus. Okay. So I must have did something where the numbers are different now, but you can see the output is pretty close. Only plus 37, plus 143. So that's not bad. And I must got something on there that's a little extra. Let's go back to the training script here. Training. Okay. Let's go to. Okay. Back to the training script. I want to go to. Oh no, I want to go to the inference. Okay, that's what was the problem. I think it was point two. That's why you always make a cheat sheet when you're doing coding. Point two was these numbers. Point two one was 143, 199. So we're perfect. It works. And my question was, how can I get it even more perfect than this? And what I did was I tried to divide this whole number by 37, and we got this number, and it was 37 point. But I tried to do it any other calculation, and we never got that next to the point. If we would have did, then it would have been an automatic way to do it and get a perfect way to get to the SRA number from the two large primes. But we're still working. I just wanted to show you guys an update on the work of the model or the AI that I have implemented system, and it's not very complicated. It took me about 3 days to build, and about 30 minutes of time when I'm free. I build AI stuff like this. This is not a project with circular text. This is my project, so it's not like I'm getting paid to build. It's just side thing I'm doing, and I'm doing a lot of side things. But with circular text, we are having courses on. I think courses will be on. Shoot, what do you call online jobs? So look out for that soon. We will have courses on online jobs coming up in 2025. So be on the aware for that. Thanks, guys, for checking out the update.